Hi everyone, my name is Sabrina and today I will be showing you how to do an outline. So first, what is an outline? The outline is the bones of an essay. It helps you organize your thoughts and be able to organize your essay before you actually start to write it. Now we're going to start by breaking down the outline. The first part of the outline is the introduction. Here you will say what you're going to say. This is where your thesis statement will go and how you will introduce your topic. On the outline, normally you only need the thesis statement. The next part of the outline is the body. The body is the bulk of your essay, and this is where you will make your points and support them with details. If you look at the example outline provided, you will see Roman numerals. The Roman numerals are the main points. This will relate back to your thesis. The letters are the supporting facts for your main points. So why is your main point important? And the numbers are your details, so it's supporting material. The third and final part of your outline will be your conclusion. A conclusion is similar to your introduction. A conclusion is a quick recap of what you said, and it is basically a small summary and wrapping up your argument or your topic. So, basically, it is your thesis reworded. Now, for this video, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.